Hi, I'm the KEYTLaw girl, Katie Levitt, Arizona LLC attorney, Richard Keats, legal assistant. People ask Richard a lot of questions about forming and operating Arizona LLCs, and this video will explain how to form a do-it-yourself Arizona Limited Liability Company. Step number 1, pick a name for your LLC. Arizona law requires that a new LLC's name be distinguishable from other names on file with the Arizona Corporation Commission and the Arizona Secretary of State. If your new LLC's name is not distinguishable from an existing name, the ACC will reject the Articles of Organization and you'll have 30 days from the date of rejection to resubmit the articles with a different name. Now don't file the articles without first checking the ACC's name database to see if your desired name is available. Step number 2, complete the ACC's 2-page form Articles of Organization. Print 2 copies of the completed articles and arrange for a person to sign both copies. The signer does not have to be a member or a manager. Step number 3. Every Arizona LLC must have a statutory agent with an actual address in Arizona. Insert the name and the physical address of the LLC's statutory agent in the Articles of Organization and arrange for the statutory agent to sign it. Step number 4. Prepare an Arizona Corporation Commission cover sheet to submit to the ACC along with the Articles of Organization. Step number 5. Deliver the cover sheet and both copies of the completed and signed Articles of Organization to the Arizona Corporation Commission. Step number 6. If you file the Articles of Organization in person, ask the clerk to keep 1 copy of the Articles of Organization and a stamp received on the second copy. Take the second copy with you. You will need this to open a bank account. If you mail the Articles of Organization to the Arizona Corporation Commission, send 2 copies in a stamped envelope with your address. Ask in a cover letter for the ACC to stamp the second copy of the articles and mail it to you in the envelope. Step number 7. When you file the Articles of Organization with the ACC, you must pay the $50 LLC filing fee. Now, we always pay the $85 expedited LLC filing fee, so the ACC will approve the articles in a week rather than a month. Step number 8, when the ACC approves the Articles of Organization, it will send the approved articles with its filed stamp to the person named in the ACC cover sheet. The company must then prepare a notice of publication. Step number 9, send the notice of publication to an Arizona Corporation Commission approved newspaper. Arizona law requires that within 60 days after the ACC approves the articles, a notice of the filing of the articles must be published for 3 consecutive publications in an approved newspaper in the county of the LLC's known place of business. The cost of the publication will be approximately $55 in Maricopa County, but more of the LLC's place of business is outside of Maricopa County. When you complete all of the 9 tasks, you will then have a validly formed Arizona LLC. This is what you will have. Now, forming the LLC is easy. What is much more important is that your LLC must now comply with Arizona LLC law, because if it does not, a court may pierce the company veil and hold the owners of your LLC liable for the LLC's debts. Over 3,000 people have hired Arizona LLC lawyer Richard Keats to form their LLCs because he gives every LLC client the documents and information they need to comply with Arizona LLC law. Now, instead of having a 2-page fill-in-the-blanks form, every LLC we form gets our Arizona LLC portfolio that contains Richard Keats' custom-drafted 3-page Articles of Organization, a custom-drafted 45-page operating agreement, digital and custom hard copy versions of Richard's 175-page must-have book called the Arizona LLC Quick Start Guide, organizational resolutions signed by the members, a membership certificate for each member, and a disclaimer for a non-owner spouse to sign if a married member intends to own the LLC as separate property rather than community property. Now, we want to form your Arizona LLC. Our low price of $5.99 includes the $85 filing fee and the cost to publish a notice of publication in a newspaper in Maricopa County. We do the publication for you. We are cheaper and provide more than some of the most well-known document preparers in the country. But we are not document preparers. Richard Keats is an attorney who has been forming companies in Arizona since 1980. For more information about each of the 9 steps, including links to the ACC's name check database, its Adobe PDF fillable form Articles of Organization, the cover sheet, notice of publication, and list of ACC-approved newspapers, Read Richard's article called How Do I Form an Arizona LLC, found on KEYTLaw's website at KEYTLaw.com/AZLLClaw/form LLC. As always, you can learn more about forming and operating an Arizona LLC on our website at KEYTLaw.com/AZLLClaw. Or, if you want free answers to LLC formation questions, call Arizona LLC attorneys Richard Keat or Abigail Neal at 602-906-4953. I'm the KEYTLaw girl, Katie Levitt. I'm Richard Keat's legal assistant, and we look forward to forming your Arizona limited liability company.